Okay, so this video is for a solo social foxtrot routine. It's a beginner's routine. It's not the absolute beginners because we have already looked at 12 weeks of beginners social foxtrot in our stimulus classes. So like I said, in our class, this routine I designed just for you guys because I knew that you would remember a number of things that we've done before. So we didn't go right back from the start, and I did give you some challenging time changes and quicks and things in there. So like I said, apologise for why the video didn't record. I'm doing this now just to make sure you've got everything that you need. I'm going to face the front. We started slightly to the right of our screen so that we weren't centre, so whatever space you're using, start slightly to the right. And we did an amended basic first. So we did a walk, walk, quick, quick. And we did that on the spot. We then went backwards, walk, walk, quick, quick. We did that again. Walk, walk, quick, quick. And walk, walk, quick, quick. And the quick, quick was changing weight, stepping in place, but it was instead of a side step like we would normally do in our partner work. We then did a promenade. I looked to the side and I did walk, walk, step, together. I then did 3 side steps and taps, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Now that concluded the left side. I'm now going to go forwards on the right. Repeat the whole thing in the opposite direction. Right, left, step, step. Right, left, step, step. Right, left, step, step. Right, left, step, step. Promenade, promenade, step, step. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. So that was section 1. Section 1 we went off to the left, then we went and we did everything to the right. 2 pairs of adjusted basics, 1 promenade, and the 3 step taps, which was our adjusted sway step. Second section was the trickier section. We added in the open twinkle, and I did it on the left foot first. So I did forwards, side cross, slide, side cross, slide, side cross, slide, side close, but I kept up on the balls of my feet rather than going flat. And then we did a little bit of an adjusted grapevine. So I did left, right, left, right, left, tap the right. I'll do that again just so you can see a little bit clearer. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. That's just a tap. And then we did the same thing all over again on the right foot. So I'm doing a right foot adjusted twinkle. Remember, these are adjusted for left and right for the living room. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And then right side grapevine, quick, 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 tap. And then that was that side all done. So let's put section 1 and section 2 together. Hopefully this will jog your memory. I'm going to walk forwards. Walk, walk, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, 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 quick, 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 twinkle, side cross, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 tap. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 tap. Section 1, section 2. Now the box step was section 3. Like I said, because we've done all these before in the Strand-Millis classes, you guys knew what you were doing, so I gave you a few options. Option 1, left foot starting forwards. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. That is our box step just on its own. We actually did 4 of them in the routine. I won't keep repeating them, but I did do it with rotation. Option 1 was about an 1/8 of a turn per step. Slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. That was the 4 pairs going round. I did say that you could do it with larger amount of rotation and be round after 2 pairs and then just do maybe 2 straight. So you could do this. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. See, I'm rounding 2 pairs. And then I could finish my second 2 pairs of the routine just there, straight forwards. Okay, so that was section 3, the box step on the left foot. Now I did say to you that you could do the box step on the right foot, and again you can practice these different techniques and these steps individually. Don't have to do them in the order that I did them. Right foot forwards box step, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And you could put the right hand rotation in if you wanted, and that would look like this. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and continue, and do another 2 pairs and you'll be all the way round. All the way through without music, and then I'll do it with the music. And let's start here. Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, 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 quick, 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 twinkle, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Box step, round, second, third, and the 4th pair. Now let me do it with the music. I just need to turn the speaker back on. I can turn that off after we finish the class. That's my fault.
线路输入
You know how she likes to wake up. We just dance that with music. I'm sure you're all fine with the music. I know that all of you are great with the music, so. Getting warm in here again. Started to get cold after the class. I've never had so many jumpers on and off and on and off. The trouble is, you're warm when you start dancing, then we go outside and sit outside in the garden, then it gets cold again and we're all backwards and forwards, so I do apologise. Let me just get the music up for you. And dance that with the Harvest Moon one like we were practicing within the lesson. That is Neil Young Harvest Moon, just in case you were wondering.